right, this is October what? 20th, 2018, and we are attempting to remove the piston out of a cylinder of an R-1820, and got the Saturday crew here, Ken, Gary, and this is Jeff, and we'll see what happens. Right now we're pre-filling it with grease using our pneumatic grease container done. So you can see that this is a cylinder that has the rocker arms removed, so the valves are completely seated. And unfortunately on this one, somebody cut the master rod off with a Sawzall. That's why we're testing it out on this cylinder. Okay, so we have filled the cylinder up with grease. We put the spark plug back in on this side. We put it in a bucket for now for safety. We'll look for grease leakage around the, well, through here, around the valve seats. We've got our grease line coming in, and we've marked the connecting rod so we can see whether it actually moves, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so we're applying pressure. We've got a little bit of a grease leak here at the inlet valve, but overall it's starting to move the piston out, we think. We're definitely applying high pressure to it.
Yeah, it's coming out.
No drama.
Yeah, that's okay with me. Yep. I'm okay with a no drama thing.
Yeah, it's definitely coming out. Yep, because I marked that black line at the inside edge of the, but you're not out by like 1/8 of an inch or more. But you know. Yeah, but it's working.
Once you get take credit.
All right, so we are
getting everything and making sure organizing everything.
We are coming out here.
Absolutely.
You hold that bar up. You can see we're definitely coming out. The black line is now outside of the bottom of the cylinder, and it's definitely coming out. We don't know how much pressure exactly we have in there, but we haven't blown the head off of the cylinder, so, and it's pumping pretty steady right now. Okay, so it's still working its way out here. Been about another 10 minutes or so, and it's a slow process because it pumps in real slow. But it's working, and it's starting to force the oil out.
You know, the whole thing of home improvement,
out of the ring.
More power.
More power. Right. Okay, so it's another 10 minutes later, it's still coming out. It's definitely slow but sure wins the race here on this one. And it's not leaking too bad out of the intake valve. And you can see the black mark here is like way out of the cylinder bore now. Okay, well, we're almost to where the piston is at the bottom of the cylinder. You see we're losing grease through the lube holes for the wrist pin. But it's still coming out.
It's flush now.
Flush now.
Alright,
so we're through. We're past the scraper ring, and piston is still working its way out. The grease has stopped coming out of the wrist, or the wrist pin. And we're flat out on the grease pump over here, wide open. Okay, well, she's still coming out. It's a slow process, but it's definitely working. You can see where the wrist pin goes into the piston. And you can see some of the corrosion on the piston that was interfering with the why it was stuck in the cylinder. There's the cap on the wrist pin there. Still coming out. We have not yet seen the oil control ring. Okay, we have success. We're definitely all the way out. And we've packed that baby to the brim with blue grease.
let's do it again.
Very good, guys. Very good. Success. There's Aaron.
Well
Aaron.
done.
can.
Get a selfie.
Yours truly. Nah, no selfies today.